Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're out driving our 85 K30. You can see we're going about 57 at 3,000 RPMs. Fuel gauge works, 40 pounds of oil pressure. Temp gauge is starting to come up. So if you want a work truck, 1-ton dually, that's kind of affordable, plus you like vintage stuff, it's a good old square body. So goes on the road nice. Cab's pretty tight. We got a little bit of northwest wind today, but no really no air leak here. Rides like a dually and a 1-ton. Goes on the road nice. No major pull or anything. See on the run video, everything works except for I don't know how they got the wipers hooked up because of where they put their temp gauge. But the washer works. They got a switch on the washers. Go up to the corner here. We'll show you the brakes. Got a hydro boost because it's a 1-ton. Yeah, regular cab 1-tons are hard to find. They work good because they're not so long. Brakes work good. Steering works good. So any questions? Shift's nice. Any questions, give me a call. 605-695-7391.